Aligning paragraph. In this lesson, we will learn about paragraph alignment. By using the left, center and right align options from paragraph palette, we can align the text. If we click on Justify Last Left, then the paragraph is justified except the last line. The last line is aligned to left side. By selecting the Justify Last Center option, the text is justified and the last line is aligned to center. If we choose Justify Last Right, all the lines are justified and the last line is aligned to right. By choosing Justify All the lines are justified. To increase the margin space between the text and the text box, change the values in the indent left margin and in the right margin. To add indent to the first line of the paragraph, type the values in the indent first line option. Usually, paragraphs are started with a space like this. To change the space between two paragraphs, type the values in the add space before and add space after options. So by this, we can add some space between two paragraphs.